Hello everyone, today I am going to record an introduction to Python video. Let's see how it goes. So first, let's see the interpreter. Interpreter follows line by line, means it will give the answer of each line. For example, if I uh, if I say 3 into 2, it will give me 6 after entering. But we can't do 3 equals to 4 because equals to means assign in Python, and but we can do 3 equal to 4, that means false in Python because 3 is not equal to 4. Double equal to actually means checking between two numbers different. So let's see the compiler now. If we say print brackets hello and save it, and then run it, it will give us the output of hello. And it gives a hello. So our program was okay. Congrats, our first program is done. So now if we assign x the value of 3 and say print x, and then run it, it will give us 3 because x equals to 3. And now if we give y equals to 6 and say x plus print x plus y, it will give us 9 because 3 plus 6 equals to 9. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, our program was successful again. So now let's talk about the input function. So if we say x equals to input brackets hello, that means we will say to the viewer hello and then he has to respond, and that will be the value x. Now we will say print x. Now if we run and save it, first it outputs hello, then if we say bye, then it will output bye. So again our program was successful.